This is not a sponsored video or anything like that. This is just something that I use myself to help me travel cheap. There's no other way to put it. But these standard, not a Tesla or anything like that, but these standard electric cars are at this time in 2023 are around the same price as a compact car. So you can find these charging stations pretty much anywhere. I found it in this small town in Alabama, y'all, my hometown, Gaston. But I will say some of them may not work correctly. Like I tried this one first and it said it wasn't charging for some reason, but I just tried the next one over in the same slot and it worked. So I charged my car overnight. It does take a while for these free chargers. You'll most likely take around 10 to 12 hours. I tried another free charger in a local car lot and it was the same thing. So I assume that all these free chargers will take a while, but if you stand at a hotel, you could call the hotel or check with the hotel in advance to see if they have any chargers available, because you could just charge it while you sleep. When it comes to the fast charging ones, most likely you'll pay for these. These are near airports. I saw some at around grocery stores, stuff like that. The estimated price for these are 30 cents per minute. That's around $18 an hour. So I charged my car to probably for like 40 minutes and it cost me $17, just to give you a better idea. And this is with one of the paid fast charging ones. Besides the charging, it's pretty much like a regular car. You drive it like a regular car. It's nothing special you need to know when it comes to driving it. But this is definitely cheaper than gas, y'all. And the fact that you can possibly get away with charging your car for free at the hotel that you're already staying at, or a gym close by, anything like that, I think this is worth like looking into. But that's all I got for you. Hopefully this saves you some money like it saved me some money when it comes to your travels. Much love to each and every one of you. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out.